Hey there, Alex from East to West Hunts. So one of the cool new products that Vortex came out with, they had two. I've gotten my hands on both, but today I wanted to showcase this one. It's the new Vortex Razor HD spotting scope. They made a compact version, and this is overtaking their 50 millimeter that they used to have, which, to be frank, I was not impressed with. I thought it was pretty dark, and you know, binoculars just did a way better job in my opinion. But with that, they've come out with this new version. This is a 56 millimeter. I was going to do a quick unboxing of this. Not going to review it in a sense of, you know, the quality of the glass or anything yet. It's just, you know, what's in the box itself. But it piqued my interest as far as the size and the packability, the weight, and overall, I think it's a pretty cool product. So let's check it out. Oh, bam, I got it. Okay. Oh, this is nifty. Very well done. Showcase this to you. Okay, whoop. Literally shows the spotter. Now I chose to get the straight. I got a lot of different spotters with gear rentals and all that kind of stuff. But most of the stuff that I use is an angled. And I know that's an either or here, but I did get this in a classic straight function, and that's because I can see the usability of this in my pack just going straight and making it very, very simple. So so that's that. All right, you get the product manual. Now here's another cool thing. They're clearly thinking about the future with this because it has an eyepiece that is removable. And you can see that. So you get the eyepiece. It's got covers, so this is pretty nifty. And then you got the cap, and then this is going to go into it. So let's unbox this first, then we'll mess around with the rest. You do get a neoprene case, which I thought this was cool as well. You know, sometimes it's hard to find a case that actually fits your product. So I thought this is actually very nice that they include that. And that's it. So you got neoprene case, a manual, and the removable eyepiece and the actual spotter itself. So let's put this thing together here. Oh, there it is. So that just kind of comes off. So this is not a screw-on of any sort. This actually legit just pops off. I thought it was a screw-on. Okay, we're going to do the same thing here. Pop this off. Then we're going to want to match the piece here. So this has a little line in it. So you can see that little line, and then it's got this little tiny needle point that comes out. So we're going to want to do this and put it together on that needle point. A little pin. And then we're going to screw it on. That's similar to their other Razor models that they had before with the removable eyepieces. That's it. Pretty simple. With that said, on the next video here, I'm going to do a comparison with some other spotters. But in the meantime, hope you enjoyed this video and the unboxing. If you have any questions, please comment below. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Helps with the growth and the continuing ability to do this for you. And until next time, remember to scout, hunt, and repeat. Thanks.